and welcome to the Monaco Floor Plan, our 2-bedroom, almost 1,500 square feet. My name is Eric. I'll be taking you around. Let's go check out your new home. So we've got a great half bath right here for your guests and those quick trips. That leads you right into your bathroom with a full bath on the left-hand side. We've got a nice, big, wonderful bedroom for our first bedroom here, complete with ceiling fan and nice soaring ceilings. You'll have closet space on your left-hand side right there. Linen right on the right-hand side. When it's time for business or studying, you've got a beautiful den right there dedicated for that space. That leads you into a beautiful open concept that'll house all of your kitchen, living, and dining needs. When it's time to relax, you've got a giant balcony, great for hanging out. Dedicated dining area over here. In the second bedroom, you have a nice big open bathroom, complete with floating cabinets, glass shower doors. You have another walk-in closet to your right, full-size washer and dryer to the left. That'll be your hookups. That leads you into the second bedroom. Again, nice high ceilings, ceiling fan, and this one has a walkout balcony. This is our Monaco floor plan. We've got four styles left. This one, La Sequoia, Saint-Tropez, and the Mirazir. Get them while they last. They will not last long. I'd love to help you out with yours today. Call me, text me, 513-472-3426. I can't wait to hear from you.